Hey guys, it's Bree. If y'all are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button, girl, because what is it not to like? No, I'm just kidding. But don't forget to hit the like button for real and subscribe, and if you're real, turn on the notification bell. And I just want to say your girl is back at it with some videos. I know I've been slacking like the past like 5 months, something like that, but your girl's back on her game. And this summer we are bringing to you vlogs, tutorials, you name it. If you freaking want cooking, we got cooking, you know what I mean? But yeah, so we're back at it again with the videos, and yeah, be ready for some good stuff. And hopefully I'll get like an actual camera and I won't have to use my iPhone anymore. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop rambling, and we're gonna go ahead and do a summer look. I'm not too sure what type of look yet because your girl never knows, but we're gonna get there. And your girl's hair is crazy. This is natural fro type hair, but yeah, we're back. This is just the heck, bro. And if I'm like looking like here, it's because like I'm looking in my mirror to look like it's like my viewfinder, you know what I mean? I'm not like a guru yet. I have to use my mirror as my viewfinder. And we're basically gonna do like a get ready with me type thing, and I'm gonna have music playing in the background. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all how life is, even though y'all might not care, but I'm gonna tell y'all anyways, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brows and prime my face. I'm gonna be priming my face with the Hydra Touch Dehydration Primer by NYX. If y'all don't have this, look at me showing y'all dirty products. Who am I? I'm sorry, but just know I've been using it. But this, if you have dry skin, girl, I'm gonna show off my nails real quick because I got them done today. But if you have dry skin, girl, you need to get this. It's a yes. And we're gonna go ahead and be cleaning up with the Tarte Shape Tape and priming our eyelids with that. And we are playing Groove because that's my song. Show me some. I'm gonna go ahead and scoot up closer to y'all. I wish I could show y'all like this little bruise I have on my knee because it's like so bad. But yeah. Hey, nice to meet you. Hey, who you be? Well, I was real up close. But yeah, gonna be using the Amrezy thing. I have two brushes that I've been liking to clean up my eyebrows lately, and it's this usual one. Like, if you've been watching me from the beginning, you know I love this brush. And then this new Morphe M432. It's really dirty, but this is what it's like. I was about to dip it into the thing. I'm gonna go ahead. It wouldn't be a tutorial if I didn't drop something, am I right? Your girl's struggling out here. I don't know how to do YouTube no more. Go ahead and clean this up. So basically, okay, this is not working for me. I dried too fast. I switched it. I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline one, the Fit Me concealer, because the Tarte Shape dried too fast for me and I don't feel like wasting it. So your girl's about to graduate. If y'all remember in my vlog, my senior skip day vlog, or no, it was prom. My last vlog was prom. Your girl's gonna graduate, class of 2018. You know where it's at. That was cringy. I'm sorry, I won't do that again. But yeah, your girl's about to graduate and she's excited, but she doesn't know what she wants to do with her life. Pretty much, that's basically what's happening right now. And that eyebrow looks like buns. Your girl needs to get a job as usual, but she might have one, possibly. It's in the making. I wish I could do YouTube full time, but right now that's just not, it's not working out like that right now. So yeah. What else? I'm actually really excited about graduation. Like, it hit me today before I filmed this video. I was like really thinking like, wow, Bree, you're really gonna have to start adulting and stop being a baby, because I've been babied pretty much all my life in a way. Like, I was spoiled when I was little. But yeah, like, your girl gotta start freaking growing up. And honestly, I'm not ready for the real world. I'm really not. Like, the real world scares me because I don't know. I'm a baby. I'm gonna put some more. I'm gonna put Tarte shape tape on that, and we're gonna buff it out with a eyeshadow brush to prime our lids. I haven't done eyeshadow in a hot minute. Actually, you know, I'm gonna do the eyeshadow look I did for my senior pictures. If y'all haven't seen my senior pictures and you want to see them, y'all should go follow my social medias. That's always listed at the end of the video, and also down in the description box if you're a real one. Summer so far has been pretty eventful. Bro got an eye boogie. I've pretty much done something like every day, or I've been like at a friend's house every single day. The huge. No longer in a relationship. Yeah, that kind of ended. Not kind of, did end. Yeah. What else? That's kind of it so far. I'm gonna go ahead and I set my eyelids. I know it's 2018, like that's not the move, like that's not the wave, but that's the wave for me. We're setting eyelids to K18. Okay. So, I hate to. If you're like, was she really about to set her eyelids? Yes, I really am. I like can't stand like not setting my eyelids, because honestly my makeup comes out weird if I don't. So, and I'm using Spun to set my eyelids. Did I really just get that eyebrow? Okay. We're gonna be going in with the Jaclyn Hill. Ooh, have y'all seen this? The new Volts box thing? Yeah, I think I'm a cop, because even though it's somewhat similar to this one, I still want it. Like, it's Jaclyn Hill, you gotta have it, you know what I mean, type deal. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with this Wet n Wild brush, and if I remember correctly, I dipped into this color, this color, this color, this color. I don't know the names because I didn't keep the name thingies, but yeah. I'm gonna dip into those 4 colors, and that's gonna be the transition shade that we're going for. And you're basically just gonna put that all over your eye, and you're gonna build it up to basically how you want it, the intensity. I'm trying to see. Oh, I'm gonna get my license probably next week, and I'm pretty sure I said this, but I graduate this week, Thursday. And I'm gonna try my best to vlog it and actually make it a good vlog and eventful, but at the same time I actually want to enjoy it too, because it is my high school graduation. So yeah. That Pusha T diss? No. No, sir. Don't ever. Don't ever come for my man like that ever again. And if he does have a son, he has a son, but I don't know why rappers do that. Like, they put other rappers out like that, like, to make them look bad. It's just like, what do you gain? What do you gain? You don't gain nothing, boo. Like, that's my new saying. It's like, what do you gain from that? Please tell me. What do you gain? You don't gain anything. You know what I mean? It's just, it's pointless to me. It's whatever. We're going to be switching through a lot of palettes, because this look, it took a bunch of palettes, even though I probably shouldn't have, but it did. I'm going to go in with Orange Soda in the, what palette is this? The Soft Glam palette. My palettes are all dirty, guys. I'm sorry. And we're just putting this on top of the other colors. Gonna go ahead and go in with a different brush, and we're gonna go ahead and pack some browns in there. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe brush, and I'm gonna mix sienna and rustic, these two colors together, and I'm gonna put them mainly in the outer V, but you'll see me drag them in a little bit. This look is super easy. It's my new go-to one, even though I use a bunch of palettes to create it. But I know I could just use one, but I just choose to use a bunch. I also mixed in some Cypress Umber. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this little detailer brush by Morphe, the M514 brush, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with Rustic and Cypress Umber, and I'm just grabbing a little bit on the top of my brush and tapping off the excess. And we're just going to go right here and just windshield wiper motions just to make sure everything is blended and just to create a darker crease. I'm going into Rustic and just putting that right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Favorite brush, it's the Morphe M421. Use code BRIE at all Morphe stores. No, I'm just kidding. I don't have the code yet. I'm going to try to get there one day, but we'll see. So far, it's not looking like I'm going to get one, but yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease real quick. I'm going to go ahead and use the Tarte Shape Tape.
I almost dropped that, but I caught it. Spoke too soon. Dude, I be dropping everything. It's ridiculous. Just gonna go ahead and cut the crease. See how easy that cut? Because of this brush. That's what it is. It's this brush.
I'm sorry for flicking y'all off. I just feel like the middle finger is like the best finger to apply eyeshadows with, if we're being completely honest. Just blending till our arm hurts, which is like right now. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with this Hydra. My skin is still really bad, guys. Sorry. That's my goal this summer, is like not to wear that much makeup and like for it to clear up, but we'll see if that happens or not. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with some MAC Fix Plus. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my eyebrows just a little bit more. So we're gonna be going in with Maybelline New York, what's this one called? what's this one? It's the Super Stay one. It's literally this, but in liquid form. I'll be mixing it with the Milani Full Coverage because your girl's running out. So you already know how I do. I basically do this and I just mix both of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and come back on camera with foundation, and then we'll get into cream contour and stuff like that. I look hella yellow, kinda, but I swear in person I don't look like this. But I think it's the lighting. But you know what? It's fine. It's whatevs. That kind of looks better. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna go in with the Pro Conceal, LA Girl Pro Conceal.
That was like totally different, but it's okay, it's fine. So then I use this brush. This is my little technique when it comes to cream contour. Where's my little brush? Oh. So I go in with this little brush and I wet it with like some water. With the face too, because it's just easier to blend it out. And I just stipple it in. And into my hairline also. You know, a little bit forehead.
We tap all that in, and then we go in with the YSL brush, and we go in with Amrezy Highlighter, and we just glow. And I'm gonna come back with some lashes and a lip, and I will see y'all in a few. So your girl finished her makeup, and this is the complete look. And I really do hope that y'all enjoyed watching this tutorial. I'm like a little crooked, I feel. It's a little better, I think. So I really do hope y'all enjoyed watching me do this tutorial. This lip, I don't know how I feel, but like it's okay, it's whatevs. But yeah, I just want to thank y'all for still watching my videos. I know that I was MIA for a good amount of time on YouTube, and I do want to apologize. And my goal this year, or for like this summer or whatever, is basically to just upload a bunch of videos and get more subscribers, more of a little family on here. And yeah, I really do hope that we can do that. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, join the family. And I need to come up with a nickname for y'all. I don't know one yet, but I'm gonna work on it. But yeah, so thank y'all so much for watching my video all the way through, you know. And I always use my hands. I need to stop. It's because your girl got some new. But yeah, thank you so much for subscribing, and stay tuned for my next video coming up.